Alright boys, so we're back. I went ahead and just got straight into the montage part of me doing the rest of it. All I had to do left was the ceramic coat and the wax, and then I did just a regular wash off camera just to get the montage in. The montage that you're going to see after this part. But yeah, I ended up waiting a few months after I after I'm making this this part of the video. I wanted to make sure that the polish was going to hold up, so I let it sit outside. I kind of drove it a little bit. Just did a few things before I actually posted this part of it, because if it's not going to hold up, I didn't want to make a video on it. So I kind of just wanted to get like a review of it, I guess you could say. But in my opinion, I think it looks pretty good, especially for the first time I've ever polished anything. I'm kind of happy about it. I've got quite a few hours tied up into it. I think I've got, after I calculated it up, I think I got like 40 hours tied into it. So it took me a little while. I also was just kind of learning, so that also plays a big factor into it. But as far as everything else goes, I think it turned out pretty good. One of the big things I did kind of notice is that my pad would fill up with the polish a little bit too much. I kind of want to get a bigger pad, and I think that would speed up the process a lot. But it is what it is. It's a learning curve. The stuff that I had, that I used, I'm gonna link it all in the description. So if you have any questions on what I use or anything like that, you'll be able to find it there. I think I went over it in part 1. So if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. I'll have it linked in the description, and I'll put one of the little tags in the corner. So just be watching for that. Apart from that, that's probably going to go ahead and do it for this part. I'm going to go ahead and let the montage roll, and I'll see you guys here shortly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the montage there. I'm not the best cameraman, so don't judge me too hard on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys think that it turned out as good as I think it does. If you have any recommendations on anything that I can do better as far as polishing, let me know. Anything you'd like to see content-wise, let me know. I do have some big plans coming up. I do plan on being a little more active. I just wanted to throw that out there. One thing I do want to start with saying is that I don't like this bed cover. So in the near future, you might see a bed cover going in this, or a spray-in bed liner going in this thing. And then second thing is, before I start any more projects, I'm going to finish this one, which, I mean, there's not much more to do to this. I've kind of done everything that I wanted to with it. I do want to tint the windows and a bed liner, but all that's pretty simple stuff. The next thing is the Miata project. I do plan on getting back on that, and I do plan on hitting the ground running on that one pretty soon. So go ahead and tune back in shortly. We are going to have some more stuff coming in. Just getting the time. I'm finally starting to get freed back up, and yeah, so I do plan on posting a lot more. If you guys have any recommendations or anything that you want to see, let me know. Thanks for watching. If you come back, thank you. If you don't, oh well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.